A defect. According to some estimates, there's one pothole for every 100 metres of road in Europe. The British Standard 434 Part 2 states, velocity patching is a cost-effective alternative to conventional patching. Mending potholes with traditional techniques is slow, expensive and not environmentally friendly. But now there's a better way. Velocity has spent the last 20 years perfecting a technique that is fast and efficient. The cold applied process produces less carbon and lasts significantly longer than a traditional repair. This is how it works. First, high volume air is used to remove all dust and debris from the defect. Next, a cold bitumen emulsion is forced into every crack and crevice. This seals the defect and protects it by preventing the ingress of water. The aggregate is then fired at high velocity through the delivery hose. Each granule receives an even coating of the bitumen emulsion a split second before it's sprayed into the defect. The new material is keyed into the existing road surface. The compaction levels achieved are better than with conventional material, due to the layer by layer compaction from the bottom up, not top down. Velocity patching is used for potholes, pre-surface dressing, patching, edging, haunches and much more. The benefits compared with traditional road repair techniques are: the process is fast and efficient. It's 100% cold applied. There are exceptionally low carbon emissions. No excavation is required. No waste material is produced. There's no further damage to the road base or surrounding area. And the surface is ready to drive on immediately. Velocity patching. Simply a better way.